Hello and welcome to another update video about crypto.com coin. We need to still be, we still need to be on the lookout possibly here for lower prices. At the moment I have it only labeled as an alternative wave 2, that this is an ABC structure, but it is fairly likely. The only reason why I have it as an alternative, not as primary, is because it's still holding the trend line. Now, again, trend lines hold as long as they don't break. At some point they will break, and if it breaks, I think it would be a strong indication that we're heading down in a C wave. We just have that situation across the market at the moment that some coins have a high likelihood of just being in a B wave, or that we topped already in a B wave. But this can change quickly. It's a quick, it's a fast moving market. So what today could indicate this was a B wave top could be tomorrow part of that third wave. So we need to be on the lookout here. I did explain to you in the last video, and that's still very relevant, that we have here the situation that a move up in 5 waves was complete, probably here with a truncated wave 5 in this ending diagonal. We came down in a possible 3-wave structure in an A wave. This was an overshooting B wave, and we could now come down in a C wave. The thing is, if we push any higher than the B wave high, which is currently at 9.4 cents, it differs a little bit on exchanges with crypto.com. So please, be aware of that. Draw those fibs yourself. But what I mean is, if it breaks above this B wave high, then we are breaking above the one second. Then we're breaking above the 1.38 retracement, and it already did overshoot it. This is normally sort of the last level that you would consider for an overshooting B wave. I have seen B waves that overshoot by 200%, but they are rare. So if it goes above that level, that previous B wave, I will have to assume that we are in a third wave. I mean, that is at the moment anyway the primary expectation, but note that if we break this trend line, we have to assume we are in the C wave of a wave 2, and that gives everybody a chance to possibly accumulate here in a wave 2 a little lower ABC, and then be ready for a third wave to the upside, which I've currently labeled as started already. But this would then have to be possibly here and 1-2 setup and another 1-2 setup, but this would be a very bullish setup if it works out. 1-2 and 1-2 setup, possibly even 3 1-2 setups, but it's getting a bit choppy. So we need to see. We need to see what the market is doing. A short-term trend is up, absolutely. Medium-term trend is up as well. It's just that very, very short term here we've seen this strong decline. Had we not seen that, all good, but we unfortunately reacted to that 1.38 retracement, and we're coming down actually quite strongly at the moment. So this is what we need to be looking out for at the moment. Obviously there are trade setups on various time frames. I mean, if you really look at the lower time frame, you can trade a pullback to a trend line. That's a valid setup, right? But for me, that's not based on fibs. It's sort of unclear, and I'd rather be looking out for a clearer setup here. That's my update about crypto.com. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.